Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today fix a problem for a supported game is record is use these features for NVIDIA GeForce Experience. This is a problem, then step by step follow to this notification error. Okay, then step by step follow to solve this problem. Go to the first step for run as administrator to the NVIDIA GeForce. Then you will go to search bar, search the NVIDIA GeForce Experience, then you will click to run as administrator. We'll check this error. Okay, then this is the not showing error, so you will this is the error. This is for stopped automatically is aiming for performed. Okay, or this is the not solved. We will come to the second step for update the NVIDIA driver. Get back to the search bar, search the device manager. You will click to open. See the display adapter. You will double click to see the graphics driver. Then right click to update driver. Then see the search automatically for driver. You will start to get installed. Okay. Or anyone I will example for this is the NVIDIA graphics driver RTX 3050 this is a not updated version 2. You go to click to the any Chrome browser, get open to you will search the NVIDIA driver download. So you will see the official website. You will click to search it to search the this NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050. Get your laptop version is started the NVIDIA graphics driver and start it click to search it to get download to get installed. Okay. You will delete this old NVIDIA graphics driver. Okay. So go to the third step for provide the full control in game file and applications. Okay. For example, you will select the any game to I will select the solo leveling application, then right click to properties, click to the security option, then select it to click to the edit to you will click to then for you will click to the advanced, then click to the change option, then click to the advanced, then click to the foundry now to you will see for everyone you will start to click to OK, then click to OK to you will click to apply to OK to you will click to the edit option to you will show the full control you will get click to select. Okay, after click to apply click to OK. Then this is the final step. Then this three step is finished with this problem which is for solved. Then anyone doubt to pin the comment. Thank you for watching.